Hey and welcome in today's new video. Today we are making some yummy savory buns, high in protein, low in carb. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's start. Hi, I'm an holistic nutritionist and holistic practitioner. On this YouTube channel, I share healthy recipes to help you lose fat, build muscles, and overcome any kind of cravings you may have with all my healthy recipes. Check on the link. My coaching programs and all my ebooks are already available. We need 4 main ingredients. So we need flour. I'm gonna use almond flour because it's gluten-free. I like the taste. Baking powder, yogurt, and 1 egg. And then the toppings, you put whatever you want. I'm gonna show you what kind of topping I will be using. I preheat my oven at 360. So don't forget to preheat your oven before you start. So for this recipe, we need a half of cup of yogurt. So I use full fat yogurt. I put the yogurt into a large bowl. Then we need 1 egg. Crack the egg and then I mix everything. And we need 1.5 cup of flour. You can use flour of your choice. I'm using almond flour, but any kind of flour can work. Put the flour in the yogurt and egg mixture and I mix everything well to combine. And I add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And I mix again. So now that my dough is ready, I'm gonna add my toppings. So I will add some polished sausages, goat cheese, mozzarella, olives, and yeah, that's it. And salt, pepper, some spices. But you can use whatever you have at home. You can use chicken, beef, lamb, pork, whatever you want. I'm using polished sausages because I love the taste. Those sausages, they have really clean ingredients. They're from Titan. I got them from Costco, so I'll put the link below. So I cut them really small. I want really small pieces to put into the dough, so I make sure to cut them several times. My olives as well, so I chop them finely too. And I chop thinly my onions. And I finish with the goat cheese. So I'm just gonna put like a two big teaspoon of goat cheese, and I'm gonna chop them a little bit as well. And here is my toppings. So the onions, olives, goat cheese, and sausages are ready. Put them into the dough. And now I mix everything well to combine. I add salt, pepper, and some Italian seasonings. I mix everything well once again. And in a plate with some parchment paper, I'm just putting my buns on it. I make sure to keep some space between them. And I don't want them too big or too small because I know they will raise with the heat in the oven. So I make them quite small. And I top them with some mozzarella cheese, but that's totally optional, so you don't have to. and this is how it's supposed to look like. So now they're going in the oven for 15 minutes at 360. And here the final result, they're ready to be enjoyed. This is the end of those savory yummy buns. That's typically something that I can have for breakfast or for snack, for example. I hope you guys did enjoy watching it. Thank you for watching my video. Everything that I use will be on the description box below. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need help, I can help you, coach you. I also have ebooks available, so if you need any help or guidance, please go check the links below. I hope to see you guys again for next video. Bye.